Hey everyone, a quick review on this faucet. So this is the Moen kitchen faucet. We've had it for a number of years. This is one of those things that you do quite a lot of research to make sure that you get something that's durable, something that's functional, and of course if it's in your space and something that you're going to be okay with looking every single day and using it every single day. So this is the nickel brass look to it. I absolutely love that. It looks like industrial. It has spruced up our kitchen quite a lot. We're not quite ready for the full remodel, but this did give it a little bit of a pop. It's durable, it functions really well. I love the fact that this high arch is there. It's surprising how much you need the high arch, and you don't realize it until you have it. We've had a lower faucets before, and washing like large pots and pans was super difficult. Well, not that it's difficult, it just keeps bumping into the faucet and scratching, and it just wasn't smooth, and this definitely is. And what I love is that you can just swivel it from side to side, so when you're washing and when you're ready to rinse, right? And it has two different flows of water, and you can also adjust the pressure in two ways. So I'll show you that. The install, we did get a plumber to install, but underneath the sink it looks really nice and tight. With respect to the actual faucet, again, it can move. It has this nice docking station for the handle or the head of the faucet itself. It can retract quite far, okay? So you can move it in all different directions, so really nice feature there. It retracts back fast and no problem within that handle. It just looks nice, tight, and finished. With respect to the flow, I'll show you now. So you have the normal flow, okay? We also have this shower-like flow, which is quite strong in itself. So if I was to go here in the corner, you can actually see how strong it is. And then I can also, again, increase the actual pressure just by pressing this here. And you'll see it does make a difference. It's super strong, really nice and convenient for when you're washing anything that's a little bit more stuck. So awesome purchase, highly recommend it, and I hope this review really does help you with deciding if this is the actual faucet for you.